Taking the stage, speaking in public, or writing a good story can be challenging and difficult. Being performing artists and songwriters, we know exactly how to prepare for these moments.
We are the Pitch Shifters, and we offer workshops and trainings to enhance your presentation skills.
Together with you, we work on public speaking, storytelling, creative writing, the use of your voice and your performance.
It took a lot of effort to create our own artistic image, and during this process we discovered that there is no universal formula that works for everybody. Because every artist is unique and has his own style and way of working.
We believe that this also applies to public speakers or storytellers, whether it's a keynote speech or a team meeting or maybe a job interview.
We don't work with certain methods or checklists, so don't expect us to transform you into the next Obama. Instead, we're going to discover your unique qualities and abilities to be a public speaker.
Our workshops are active, inspiring, creative.
They're filled with fun exercises with a musical touch. They're refreshing, fun and instructive, and you can use our input right away.
Do you want to surprise yourself and dive deeper with us? Please check out our website for the upcoming events.
Or follow our LinkedIn page for more tips and tricks or interesting articles.
And we hope to see you soon.
Bye.